Okay, welcome to video 17. This one is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Noah's wearing his jammies because it was pajama day at school today. So there you go. Right? Alright, here we go, bub. Alright. Gerald! Piggy says. What do you want to do today? Piggy asks. I wanna... Yes? A what? Piggy asks. A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Elephant does. And Piggy goes flying. Look at Sniff, Elephant says. Are you okay? Piggy asks. Are you eating my shirt? I do not know. Achoo! Elephant says. Piggy went flying again. You want your drum today? Okay, here you go. Here you go. I cannot stop. Achoo! Elephant says. And Piggy goes flying again. Sneezing. Oh no! Elephant says. What if pigs make me sneeze? And Piggy's like, what? Achoo! Elephant does again and Piggy goes flying. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Piggy says. Sorry, Elephant said. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. What? Okay. Then we're gonna finish reading the book. Then we cannot be friends. We cannot be friends. Read along with me. I need you. Nope. Nope. I need your hands right here. Then we cannot be friends. Oh, that doesn't work either, huh? No. Then we must be apart forever. Elephant's sad. Want to see the back cover? But Gerald, no, do not speak. Elephant said. Don't lose my page, buddy. It is too late. Elephant said. Elephant made a big sneeze. And Piggy's got a helmet on now. Choo! Goodbye, Elephant says. Gerald. The cat with a stethoscope on. The cat must be a doctor. And the Elephant's going to see the doctor. Are you okay, Gerald? The doctor said. No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Elephant says, and the cat gets really scared. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. Elephant's sad. The doctor's trying to figure out what to do with him. I know, let me turn the page. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Elephant's all happy that he's sick because he doesn't want to be allergic to Piggy. Piggy, great news. Great news. I have a cold. Good for you, Piggy says. And Piggy's got the cold now, too. Look at Piggy's got all sorts of tissues. Isn't that a funny book? What do you think? Do you want to read it now? Oh, you want to say hi? Okay, say hi. Hi. Right? Isn't that good? So, this one was called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. It's a pretty good book. Huh. So, yeah, we were off yesterday because, Mr. Noah, he had some issues And so it wasn't the right timing. So hope you understand, right? Say, hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Say bye. Bye. All right, bye.